Yo, welcome to the crypto market inspection. January 6th. Oh, not January. Fuck, I would say January. I mean February 6th, 2025. Just gonna hop straight into the chart here. Let's refresh the chart. So same thing as yesterday, really. Nothing much has changed over the course of yesterday's video. We were here. We went a little lower, but we did not take out this low that we wanted to see take out yet. But however, it may happen as we are not swept this high yet. So it all really comes down to what the market does in the end. But yeah, I wanna just look at the stocks. Um, weekly stock again on its way to its lows. That's great. 3 daily on its way to its lows. That's great. Daily is at its lows. Could consolidate here a bit more, but eventually we will move to the upside. And yeah, so far it's looking quite promising. Also, that price is coming into a area of interest for us. So yeah, basically, what I did in the last video, I'm just gonna draw the setup I had here. So basically, I took the entire volume profile range here. If this can draw out, I think it's trying to load. Just give it 1 second, it'll load. I think it'll load on here. I just loaded. Jesus Christ. There we go. To make it a little more accurate, I'm gonna put 1,000 row size here. And so this is kind of our this is our volume profile range, where the range low is the value area low, range high is the value area high, and then we have the POC. But I'm just gonna look at it like this. As you see, price has time and time and again responded to the value area low and the value area highs. Right? Got a deviation here, held the value area low, deviated it, here. So right, and we have been chopping around here. Okay, so this is huge resistance so far. Okay, there's a supply here, which is pretty significant. That we need to see price flip above here to see continuation to an all-time high. If we do not flip this level, I will be looking for a short to take out this low. But yeah, we'll see what happens. I'm quite interested in this area right here as there's order block, and we will zoom in just a second. Okay, let's zoom in a bit here. So, okay, that's great. Price is actually going a bit down here at the moment. Look like we may get a bearish engulfing H4 candle, which is great for a potential sweep of this low. So, price kind of, let's actually draw the monthly open here. Got the monthly open right there, monthly open. All right. Okay, now what else do we have? Well, there is a sell side liquidity resting right here. Okay, and then we have this H4 order block. Great. Now we kind of have all we need. Um, actually, I'm gonna call it order block. Um, because I kind of like I did in yesterday's video, I don't want to miss out on this low 2 here. So I'm gonna draw my order block as this. As you know, how an order block is formed is right. Price goes up, goes like this, and then continues. This is your order block. So why not? When we took the 4 hour, we took it from here. Why not just add the last part, right? Still basically the H4 order block. So yeah, simply we are looking for this is our area of interest. I want to see price sweep these equal lows. It's good that price has created equal lows here. I think we will see some delta start kicking in. People aggressively shorting, getting absorbed into this level would be very great. And then we can perhaps take out the monthly open. And then we will go into this supply right here. This is the supply that we even need to see flipped. Just want to add the volume profile there. So you want to see a flip of this level. Right? If it does not flip above, but it actually starts breaking down here, slow bleeding like this, that's where you want to take profit, get the fuck out the market, maybe hedge your long position from lower down. But I'm definitely will be looking for a potential short up here if we do not flip the supply. Okay, it's as simple as that. Yeah, and I'll show you guys my position. I actually did place a limit here to be fully transparent. I placed it at 95,681. Why did I do that? I kind of want to front run the top or like add from the top of this two body closes. If you can see here, I don't know if that's easy to see, but kind of like also front running the 0.62 level. I might get a bad entry here. In case if we do like usually want to see the price tab into the 0.75 of the OTE. But I mean, as long as we're getting into the market here, I'm fine. I'm fine. And then you could obviously DK dollar cost average here. I might just put in dollar cost average long here, and we get some of average entry down here with a greater RR. But yeah, we're just waiting for a fill on this. You can get your sniper fill from this NPOC in this order block. So a great another dollar cost averaging is from 95.3. 95.3k level might be a good sniper entry. Um, let's also go back to the chart we were at. What chart we were at? What chart were we at? Is it this one? Yeah, this one. So yeah, how is the okay? So the stocks, right? Stocks means equal low. It kind of the H4 stock went into slows. However, if we do reverse down from here, I think we do see another bottom, and that's where you want to see price go into here. And then once the momentum, you start flipping back above. That could be a market execution trigger. Meanwhile, the stocks looks like this at its lows, right? That's where you kind of want to get in. Also look at the delta, how price reacts to volume, and yeah, so far everything seems pretty great in my opinion. That's pretty much it for BTC. I want to simply go over Ethereum. These are not valid. I don't have a position on Ethereum placed yet, but they're pretty confluent. I will definitely probably long something here too. Um, I just used the same chart we had in the last video. Daily stocks at the lows. What the fuck? Weekly stock coming into the low. 3 daily has been at the lows for a while. Like this is looking incredible. So yeah, potentially if we hold there, I do think we go up to the 3.1 to 3k level, as this is our biggest resistance. If you look at the daily, from a range bound perspective, you got the range high, you got the range low, mid range, right? Prices bounce, bounce, bounced, broke down. So right, we need to flip this. If we don't flip this, we will go for the range low. If you do flip and hold above on the weekly, there's a supply here. But if we do hold good above here, with everything else looking good, break this trend line, I think we could see expansion to the upside. All right, in confidence with how FBTC is looking. Uh, yes, so same thing. BTC and Ethereum pretty confluent with each other on the level we have. They both have a H4 order block down here, so you want to see the same thing. Sweep this low, get back above that. That's your trigger, and you can put your stops below here, manual stops. Target here. I do think we feel this inefficiency. I know there's a lot of liquidity built up here. We can actually look at it. I think there was a lot of something. I think it was the order books. If you check trading light, but I just want to see. Yeah, okay. I mean, this is the 2 points. Okay, this liquidity above here, but like this is a very 2870 level. Not the 12 hour, 3 day. I think. Yeah, so you see that there's a lot of built up liquidity to the upside, right? We did do a major sweep here. So yeah, I want to see price go higher after we do sweep this low. Simply if price does struggle down here, finds acceptance below, you cut the trade for a loss, and then you can look for the 50% wick of the H4 candle. But at the same time, this is a great level due to um, due to the confidence that you have here, right? You have a low time frame sell side liquidity. You have the H4 order block. You have the around the 50% wick, right? Is this level, and you have the quarterly mid-range coming in here. So yeah, the confluences are there. Um, yeah, also the H4 stock looks better on ETH, to be honest, right? If these go lower to the lows, we do something like this, time it with this, I think it would be a great trigger to take it up to this mid-range area, which is the next resistance level to take into account. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I'll catch you guys in tomorrow's update. Peace.